Sometimes I sit quietly and think about life. The years move faster than I imagined. I wanted to do more for my family. I wanted to give them everything. Now I feel my strength changing little by little, and my heart becomes heavy with regret. But when I look closer, I remember the love we shared, the moments together, the sacrifices, the prayers, the long days of work, and the dreams we carried as a family. Maybe life is not measured only by money or achievements. Maybe it is also measured by love, kindness, memories, and the people who still hold your heart close. So while I still have breath, I wanna give peace, music, kindness, and love to the people around me. And I pray God gives mercy, strength, and peace for the days ahead.